Sativo Saturday. Today I'm in Reno, Nevada at a very special Mexican kitchen called Chuy's. And Chuy personally is going to make us a Honey Margarita.
Welcome, Chuy Gutierrez from Mari Chuy's Mexican Kitchen in Midtown Reno. Please have lime, half of 1 lemon, 1 ounce of triple sec, lemon, lime, margarita mix, 1 ounce of that, 1 ounce of orange juice, half an ounce of honey, 2 ounces of Sativo Tequila. Then you grab your glass, little lemon on the top. You put some honey around the glass, fill them up with half of ice. You shake it. For garnish, we use fresh grapefruit, a little piece of honeycomb. Cheers!
It gives back to the bees with every purchase. So Sativo.